Hi, call or put. If we are not having any obligation, we want to exercise our right. How beautiful it is. When any underlying asset is increases, we want to grab that opportunity. Yes, in that case, you can buy a call. In case you are expecting its fall, then you go for a put. Here again, you remember there is no obligation, only rights. What it means, when you expected an underlying asset will increase, you purchased a call. If it is happens like that, okay, you can exercise your call. Otherwise, you leave it. In the same way, when you exercise the put, okay, if that asset is not falling as you expect, okay, you are leaving it, you are not having any obligation. If you find that it's falling as you expected, your put, you can exercise and grab the profits.